I'm Bob with Big Bob's Barbecue. Tonight we're doing a standing rib roast with a horseradish crust. We're going to do it on the grill. Not exactly barbecue, but it's going to be cooked outside, and it's some good red meat. Alright, so we're going to put a horseradish crust on it. The horseradish rub is something I made last night. I let it mellow overnight. We're going to put it on there. We're going to be real generous with it. So we're going to get all the sides. Now this is a standing rib roast. So we're going to cook it in a pan to catch the gravy drippings, because that's going to be real yummy later on. And we want that rub to also go into the gravy. Now we cook it rib side down so that it's a natural roasting rack. I like to do this about half an hour before I put it on the grill. Some people like to say put it right on the grill as soon as you put the rub on, because I have salt in my rub. I like that salt to work on that outer layer of meat for just a few minutes. Alright, we've got the grill preheated. We're going to put it on at about 400 degrees. I've removed the top rack from the grill because the standing rib roast is a little bit taller than that. So we're going to put this on. It's going to cook for about, at this weight, 20 minutes per pound to medium rare. So we're looking at about 2 hours and 15 minutes, 2 hours and 30 minutes. So we're going to put that on and let it go. And it's been cooking at about 400 degrees for about 15-20 minutes. We're going to lower it to 350 to 375. And this is where it's going to go for the rest of the 2 hours. So we're going to lower that a little bit. Then we're going to bring it in after about 2.5 hours, and we're going to rest that meat. Let those juices get all evenly distributed again. Alright, we'll see you in a few. We've been cooking at 400 degrees, like I said. You can see that thermometer right there. And look at that golden brown crust of the horseradish, just crisping up real nice. So this is the point we're going to lower it, and we shouldn't be peaking anyway. So we're lowering that temperature to 350 degrees for the remaining of the cooking time. We removed the standing rib roast from the grill when the instant read thermometer registered about 142 degrees. We brought it inside and we wrapped it in aluminum foil. Once it's wrapped, we put dish towels around it to preserve the heat. That allows the temperature to keep rising and finish to a perfect medium of about 155 degree internal temperature. We sliced the meat on both roasts that you saw in the one grill shot. It was actually a 19-pound roast that I had cut into 2 sections. One was medium rare, the other was medium. We sliced that up, we served it. We also made a gravy using a white wine, and we used cornstarch to thicken the drippings. Added some water to it, came out perfect. The saltiness of the rub adds the perfect flavor. If you like what you see, please make sure to subscribe to Big Bob's Barbecue and more. We'll be back with more projects and more food. See you soon.